welcome back to a brand new video, guys. And by the way, can you also like and subscribe? Let's go for six likes. Okay, I bet you guys can manage that. And definitely subscribe, and let's get into the video. So this is an episode, and this is going to be the first episode of the Membrain, the mechanical keyboard versus the Membrain keyboard. So this, as you guys all guys know, this is a geek, because you can obviously see it. And this is a Snapdeary keyboard, and I'm not gonna lie, but this keyboard is actually pretty good. So this is a mechanical keyboard. And this is a Membrain keyboard. And don't forget also the S key on the mechanical keyboard, as I just forgot. So bye everyone.